welcome back to Spelling Adventure with Miss Fee. Tap the letter that completes the word. This is a box. Box. What letter is missing in box? Did you find the letter that completes the word box? Did you pick B? Good job. Box. Spell it with me. B-O-X. Box. Tap the letter that completes the word B. This is a B. What letter is missing in B? Did you pick E? E. E is the missing letter in B. Let's spell it. B-E-E. B. Good job, guys. Tap the letter that completes the word C. C. What letter is missing in C? What letter is missing in C? Did you choose S? C. Correct. Now let's spell C. S-E-E. C. Good job, guys. Tap the letter that completes the word jar. This is a jar. 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 What letter is missing in jar? R. Did you pick R? R is the missing letter in jar. Good job, guys. You're smart. Tap the letter that completes the word fix. Fix. Which one of these letters makes the X sound? X. Fix. Did you say X? X makes the X sound. Let's spell fix. F-I-X. Fix. Tap the letter that's missing in the word fry. 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 Let's see if you guess it right. R is the missing letter in fry. Can you spell fry with me? F-R-Y. Fry. Good job, guys. Tap the missing letter in air. Air. What sound do you hear at the end of air? Let's see if you guess right. R is the missing letter in air. Air is spelled A-I-R. Air. Good job, guys. You guys are smart. Tap the letter that's missing in arm. 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 What letter is missing in arm? A is the missing letter in arm. Let's spell arm. A-R-M. Arm. Tap the letter that completes the word pen. Pen. What sound is missing in pen? Pen. Let me see if you can guess it. Did you guess N? Pen. Spell pen with Miss Fee. P-I-N. Pen. Good job, guys. You guys did amazing at spelling adventure. I knew you'd do great. I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.